like the Yop.
Yeah.
That was had a very ska.
That's the only cover we do is the Yop.
Which is a cover of like an old political reggae song.
I didn't even know that.
Is it really? Seriously?
Yeah. Give me hope, Joanna. And then Yop
Just made it about yogurt.
Yeah, and then Yop just took it and was like, this song's about yogurt now. Like,
Wow.
and then we took that even further and we're like, okay, now let's cover the cover of a yogurt commercial's reggae remix.
That's
People dig it.
that's brilliant.
That's why we're talking about that, not one of our own songs.
Yeah, I know.
It always happens.
Well, also Yop, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
Who doesn't
you can't
love
go-
drinkable yogurt?
You guys like yogurt? I'm a big fan of Yop. Don't listen to this Yo play.
Shady, wake up. When I wake up in the morning, I'm still asleep. I really don't want no toast. Don't want no OJ, no tea, and no cereal. Give me the yogurt, drink the water first. Give me up, me mama. Yup, me mama. Give me up, me mama. When the morning comes, give me up, me mama. Yup, me mama. Yup, when the morning comes. 1, 2, 3, give me up, me mama. Yup, me mama. Give me up, me mama. When the morning comes, give me up, me mama. Yup, me mama. Yup, when the morning comes. Yup, me up, me up. Give me up, me mama. Yup, me mama. Give me up, me mama. When the morning comes, give me up, me mama. Yup, me mama. Yup, when the what? Give me up, me mama. Yup, me mama. Give me up, me mama. When the morning comes, give me up, me mama. Yup, me mama. Yup, when the morning comes. Yup, until the morning comes.
So this is the place that who are the original discoverers of this area?
Our past.
It's like, yeah,
It's passed
the
down?
mantle gets passed down. I'm surprised there's no one up here now. It's just like
weird.
probably from our older brothers and such. Just one of
Nice.
those Bedford spots where we're all from here.
That's
Even our
nice.
friends'
That's super
parents used to party up here and shit.
Yeah, back in the
from here.
70s and shit.
cool. No way, man. That's well, it is a great location. I like the
There's
fact
lots of spots too.
I like the fact that you feel completely isolated, but you can like just look out on all the people doing their
Yeah.
thing, and
You see who's like meeting up from a mile away. Like, oh, there's Jason fucking running over from the
It's
benches.
the only place we were never like bothered by cops, and it's like literally 10 feet of woods, and the police station is right there.
you're kidding.
It's the only place we've never been bothered.
Never.
Like we got busted everywhere else, but here they just let us be.
Hide in plain sight.
Yeah,
I guess.
it
or-
makes no sense. But,
We know where you are, so you're okay.
I guess that's it.
yeah, I hope we didn't just jinx that.
No,
I'm sure we're fine.
We got permits.
We got permits.
permits for this.
Some of my friends are buried alive. Just
funny. When
Yeah.
you use the camera, I can just go straight, then Dan.
Dan, why do you be so tall?
Someone's gonna look.
That's why we make him play bass. He's just too tall, so it's just like, yeah.
There are a lot of tall bass players in the world.
Never
Parts are
tall
small for me.
vocalists. They're always short.
Yeah.
It's all the good ones. Tried to learn how to play guitar.
It's
My
like a
hand's
small
just too
dog
big.
syndrome, I think.
Way too
Yeah.
big for the strings.
You're just too overbearing for you need that low thump
Yeah.
of the bass.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Harambe hands.
Yeah, that Harambe slap.
Harambe slap. That's another great band name
Yeah.
right there. But the ladies love it. So
Oh, yeah.
there you go. Or guys, I don't
ladies
know.
love
I'm not
Harambe.
going to judge. To each their own, right?
Everyone loves her.
I'd say girls, but you never know. You drink, you forget. I don't know. I don't know what I could have done, but I.
You know
don't
what?
think I did.
If you don't remember it, it didn't happen.
Yeah.
Really, in your
Exactly.
universe. I mean, if you don't remember it, it didn't happen.
That's the truth.
So do you have any releases that have been or are upcoming in the
We
future?
put out an album in the summer before we toured, and we kind of promoted that over the tour. It's called Chuck and Bricks. Get that on our Bandcamp.
Chuck and Bricks on
Yeah.
the Bandcamp.
Yeah, that was
a
our
plug.
that was our tour name too. Is Chuck and Bricks, and then we kind of got that stuff out of the way, and now we're working on a bunch of new stuff. We're gonna hopefully drop another album this year.
Cool. Whereabouts did you go on your tour? Just like local or on Maritime?
Sort of, kind of eastern. We did a lot of spots in Ontario and Quebec, and a little bit in New Brunswick.
Nice.
Yeah, it was a long drive. It's fun.
Cool. Did you meet any bands out there on your experiences?
Yeah,
you
that was the
really
best
dig?
part about it. A lot of them that are coming now back, like I don't know, the Bearings and Auto Racing, Beyond the Wall.
Auto racing's my favorite. Yeah.
Ottawa band. Ridiculous.
Nice. Beyond the Wall, yeah.
Yeah, we have like a band friendship. I don't know how to explain it.
They stayed at my house for a
It's
week.
a really
It's
like.
funny. I believe I either Heart Attack Kids or Beyond the Wall, but I recorded one of them.
Yeah.
I'm
They
sure.
both
of
stayed
it.
at my place on the
Oh, nice.
I've got the Heart Attack Kid CD in my car right now. So.
Oh, nice. Awesome. Well, it's great to see like seeing supporting each other on
We got to do it. Who else is going to do it?
Well, it's true. Well, I'm helping. I'm trying.
We love it.
That's true.
Always circling over you.
Okay, so I guess this is never going to air on CBC. So never going to air on CBC.
I don't think we were too worried.
Just keep burning bridges, boys.
Let's keep burning bridges.
We are the
Yeah, Peter
Wildfire.
Mansbridge is gonna see this and be like, I hate that band. We need Steve
They don't want
Murphy.
Steve Murphy.
Murphy, where's he at?
Oh, it's Steve Murphy doing
see
right
ya.
now.
Wasn't he the Live at 5 dudes?
Yeah.
I think so.
Yes.
Steve Murphy,
I like
man.
him.
I was just talking about, for some weird reason, that Nancy. Wasn't there one named Nancy?
Yes, there was.
There was a Nancy too.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Throwing it
Everyone's
back.
named Nancy nowadays.
It's true.
Everyone knows about
Nancy's.
Cindy Day.
Yeah.
Cindy Day.
She's a savage.
She dug herself a hole and fucking
She is savage, man.
Yeah, no chill on her.
no chill on. That's fuck.
Yeah. Well, these are our Nova Scotia icons. So tune in to watch this music show. I don't really have a name for it yet, but tune in to watch this new music show, and you'll hear local artists rip apart the weatherman for their local TV station.
No one's talking shit about
Tune
Steve
in
Murphy.
live at 5.
Fuck no, man.
No, you can't sleep on my
Or
boy.
Bruce Frisco. Nobody's messing with him. I don't even know where he's from.
Bruce Frisco's a sexy man.
Yeah.
What do you do that tree, dude?
I'm being cool, man.
Bruce Frisco's a sexy man.
Just getting friendly with the tree.
Gotta love nature.
I wish it was Bruce Frisco.
Isn't it though?
Oh wow.
Bruce Frisco and all of our friends.
Bruce Frisco's our spirit
This is why
animal.
you should smoke a cannon before an interview.
That's totally making it.